Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Racine Railroad Products, located in Mount Pleasant, Wisconsin, has been designing, manufacturing, and servicing quality maintenance of way equipment for the railroad industry since 1970. Their commitment to the customer is to design and manufacture equipment with an emphasis on safety, performance, and reliability. Racine accomplishes this goal using the latest design software technology and a manufacturing team committed to producing quality equipment for years of service, backed by one of the strongest warranties in the industry. As a distributor of powered railroad tools for Racine Railroad Products, Dynamic Sales Company has served contractor and industrial operations from coast to coast for nearly 60 years. Service, quality, commitment, integrity, these are the cornerstones of a company looking to stay in business for decades. DSC's performance has been outstanding. At DSC, their goal is to provide such an exceptional experience of value and solutions that their customers have no desire to seek other options. As a Christian-based company, they're vested in providing this experience based on their faith and the scriptures that guide them. DSC and Racine Railroad Products are a dedicated team, highly motivated and eager to help your operation run efficiently at a greater savings. They take time to understand what you do and how you do it, so they can offer solutions that keep you coming back. Together, Dynamic and Racine provide service, quality, commitment, and integrity, the cornerstone and foundation for generational companies. Visit them today, RacineRailroad.com and DynamicSalesCoInc.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.